Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of SUVs and highlighting 6 nearly perfect models that you need to know about. From practicality and reliability to off-road capability and luxury, these SUVs excel in their respective segments. Whether you're hauling kids, tackling tough terrain, or simply cruising in style, there's an SUV on this list that's sure to impress. Let's get started. First up, we have a true icon in the SUV world, the Toyota Highlander. The Highlander comes pretty darn close to perfect, especially with its reputation for reliability. This thing is built to last and consistently ranks high in dependability studies. It also boasts a spacious and comfortable interior with seating for up to 8 passengers. Whether you have a large family or like to carpool, the Highlander has got you covered. And let's not forget about safety. The Highlander is packed with advanced safety features including Toyota Safety Sense. This suite includes lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Now I know what you're thinking. Doug, you're making this Highlander sound pretty perfect. While it comes close, the infotainment system isn't the most intuitive, and the fuel economy is decent, but not groundbreaking. But hey, no car is perfect, right? Overall, the Toyota Highlander excels in reliability, spaciousness, and safety features. Next up, we have another heavy hitter in the SUV segment, the Honda CR-V. The CR-V might not be as flashy as some other SUVs, but it excels in practicality, efficiency, and value. Let's start with fuel efficiency, where the CR-V really shines. With its hybrid powertrain, it achieves 40 miles per gallon city and 35 highway. That's right, 40 miles per gallon in the city. Fewer trips to the gas station mean more money in your pocket. And the CR-V's efficiency doesn't sacrifice performance. Its hybrid engine delivers peppy acceleration and an engaging drive. Despite its compact size, the CR-V offers a spacious and comfortable interior. The cabin is well designed and packed with features. Plus, it comes standard with advanced safety features including Honda Sensing. For those seeking a practical, efficient, and reliable SUV, the Honda CR-V is hard to beat. Moving on to a more stylish contender, we have the Mazda CX-5. Now, the CX-5 has always been known for its sharp looks, but the latest iteration takes things to a whole new level. Its sleek lines, bold grille, and sophisticated details give it a premium look and feel that's unmatched in its class. But the CX-5's appeal goes beyond just skin deep. It also boasts impressive handling and a refined driving experience that's more akin to a sports sedan than an SUV. Its sharp steering, responsive throttle, and well-tuned suspension make it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or winding country roads. And let's not forget about the interior. The CX-5's cabin is a masterclass in design and craftsmanship. From the high-quality materials to the meticulous attention to detail, the CX-5's interior feels more like a luxury car than a mainstream SUV. And don't even get me started on the seats. These things are like thrones. They're incredibly comfortable and supportive even on long drives. Plus, the CX-5 comes loaded with tech features including a large infotainment screen, a head-up display, and a suite of advanced safety features. Now, the CX-5 isn't perfect. Its cargo space is a bit on the small side, and its rear seats, while comfortable, aren't the most spacious. But for those seeking a stylish, fun-to-drive, and well-equipped SUV, the Mazda CX-5 is a top contender. Chapter 4, Subaru Outback, the adventurous soul. Now, for those who crave adventure and need a vehicle that can handle the road less traveled, we have the Subaru Outback. The Outback has always been known for its off-road prowess, and the latest iteration is no exception. With its standard all-wheel drive, generous ground clearance, and rugged construction, the Outback is ready to tackle whatever terrain you throw its way. But, the Outback's capabilities extend beyond just off-roading. It's also a practical and versatile SUV that's well-suited for everyday driving. Its spacious interior can comfortably accommodate 5 passengers, and its cargo area is generously sized and easy to access. And let's not forget about safety because Subaru takes that very seriously. The Outback comes standard with EyeSight, Subaru's suite of advanced safety features, which includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and more. Now, the Outback might not be the most stylish SUV on the market, but its rugged good looks have a certain charm. And while its fuel economy isn't groundbreaking, it's respectable for its size and capabilities. Overall, the Subaru Outback is a well-rounded SUV that excels in a variety of areas. Its off-road capability, practicality, safety features, and unique appeal make it a top choice for adventurous individuals and families on the go. Chapter 5. Kia Telluride, the luxury surprise. Moving on to a more luxurious option, we have the Kia Telluride. Now I know what you're thinking. Doug, Kia, luxury? But hear me out on this one. The Telluride has taken the automotive world by storm, and for good reason. It offers a level of luxury, refinement, and value that's practically unheard of in its class. Let's start with the interior, because that's where the Telluride truly shines. Its cabin is spacious, well-appointed, and packed with premium features. From the Napa leather seats to the real wood trim, the Telluride's interior wouldn't look out of place in a luxury SUV twice its price. And the Telluride's luxury extends beyond just its interior. It also boasts a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to its well-tuned suspension and refined powertrain. And despite its size, the Telluride is surprisingly nimble and easy to maneuver. But the Telluride isn't just about luxury. It's also a practical and capable SUV that's well-suited for families. It offers seating for up to 8 passengers, and its cargo area is generously sized and easy to access. Now, the Telluride's infotainment system, while functional, isn't the most intuitive on the market, and its fuel economy, while respectable, isn't groundbreaking. But for those seeking a luxurious, spacious, and value-packed SUV, the Kia Telluride is in a league of its own. Chapter 6. Ford Bronco, the off-road icon returns. And finally, we have the triumphant return of an off-road legend, the Ford Bronco. Now, the Bronco needs no introduction. Its reputation for ruggedness, capability, and adventure is legendary. And the latest iteration lives up to that legacy in every way. From its boxy design and removable roof and doors to its powerful engine options and advanced off-road technology, the Bronco is built for serious off-road adventures. But don't let its rugged exterior fool you. The Bronco is also surprisingly refined and comfortable on the road. Its interior is well designed and packed with modern tech features, and its ride quality is smooth and composed, even on rough pavement. Plus, the Bronco is available with a variety of powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder and a powerful V6. Now, the Bronco's off-road focus does come with a few compromises. Its on-road handling, while capable, isn't as sharp as some of the other SUVs on this list, and its fuel economy, while respectable for its size and capabilities, isn't groundbreaking. But for those seeking a capable, stylish, and adventure-ready SUV, the Ford Bronco is in a class of its own. It's a true icon that's been reborn for a new generation of adventurers. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this list of nearly perfect SUVs, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments which SUV is your favorite, or if there's one you think should have made the list. See you next time!